Have you ever placed something carefully on a table, only for your cat to stare at it, raise one paw, and slowly push it onto the floor? Believe it or not, your cat probably isn't trying to annoy you. Cats are incredibly curious. They don't have hands like we do, so they use their paws to explore the world around them. Every object they find is a new mystery waiting to be investigated. When an object moves after they touch it, their brain instantly becomes interested. It's almost like the object just joined the game, and suddenly the chase is on. Some scientists believe cats are testing whether something is alive, dangerous, or simply fun to chase. A gentle tap is their way of gathering information before deciding what to do next. And yes, sometimes your cat already knows exactly what will happen. They're simply waiting for your reaction. If the mug falls and you jump out of your seat, that's entertainment from their point of view. Even better, if you rush over and shout, "No!" You've accidentally rewarded the behavior with attention. To your cat, your dramatic reaction might be just as interesting as knocking the object over in the first place. So the next time your cat pushes your keys, your phone, or your favorite mug off the table, remember, they're probably not being evil or trying to make you angry. They're just tiny furry scientists conducting very expensive experiments.